Assalamu alaikum. Namaste and good evening. Warm welcome to everyone for the Indian and global fusion music this evening. It's truly going to be an epic concert because we are here to witness a Grammy Award winner performer. We are delighted that we are having with us today eminent dignitaries who have graced the event this evening. So I would like to extend a warm welcome to all the dignitaries. To begin with, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our most revered Ambassador of India to Oman, Shri Indramani Pandey ji. Warm welcome to you, sir. And warm welcome to Mrs. Sushma Pandey ji and your family. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Among several specials that we have lined up this evening for you, one is a distinctive bouquet of candles and flowers made by a group of special children under the guidance of eminent teacher, Mrs. Gayatri Narasimhan. It's truly inspiring and gives us tremendous sense of gratitude to see the children fighting all the adversities and finding success in their life. So we would like to present this bouquet of flowers and candles to our dignitaries. So may I now request Master Arjun Krishna to please present the bouquet to our Indian Ambassador, Shri Indramani Pandey ji. Master Arjun Krishna. Arjun, we'll take a picture. Thank you, beta. It's an ecstatic moment and joy for the child. We are also delighted that we have eminent dignitaries from the Indian Embassy with us. It's delight to welcome Mr. Rakesh Adlakha, First Secretary, Political and Head of Chancery. I extend hearty welcome to you, sir. I request Master Yogi Raj Bhaskar to present the bouquet to Mr. Rakesh Adlakha. Thank you Yogi Raj. We also have with us Mrs. Neelu Rohra, Second Secretary at the Embassy for the Community Welfare. I request Arjun to please present the bouquet to Mrs. Neelu Rohra. The support from Embassy and officials is a great delight for us, and it gives us immense pleasure to organize such wonderful events for the community. Thank you, Arjun. And we also have with us Mr. P. Kannan Nair, Second Secretary Councillor. Mr. P. Kannan Nair, may I please request to present Yogi Raj to present the bouquet. Bringing these kids to the mainstream and find them one among ourselves is truly an achievement. Thank you. And from the Omani community, it's a great privilege and honor that we have with us Mr. Qais Al-Mashari, Council Member of Municipality for Muscat Governorate. He's kindly accepted our invitations, has graced the event. Ahlan wa sahlan, sir. Most welcome. May I request Master Arjun Krishna to please present the bouquet to Mr. Qais Al-Mashari. The children and their parents would cherish these moments for a very long time. We also have with us from the Philippine Embassy. Do we have the Philippine Embassy representative, Miss Maria? Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We have with us from Philippine Embassy, Ms. Maria Odessa P. Cruz, Cultural Attaché. So we would like to thank you for coming and present you a bouquet. Please accept our bouquet from us. May I request Yogi Raj to please present. Ms. Maria, please. Thank you so much. Welcome to the concert. And from the Embassy of Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, we are honored to have with us Ms. Hiruni Rajapakse. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much for joining us. Second Secretary and Head of Chancery, we extend you a warm welcome. Master Arjun Krishna to please present the bouquet and welcome Ms. Hiruni Rajapakse. It's a great union of all the dignitaries from various embassies here with us. It's a delight for us. And accepting our invitation, we also have with us Mr. James Way, Deputy Councillor from Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in Oman. Warm welcome to you, sir. I request Master Yogi Raj to please present the bouquet to Mr. James Way from Taiwan Embassy. Thank you, sir. And also we have with us from Oman Cancer Association, a representative, Ms. Muna Mohammed Al-Ofi. Ms. Muna, do we have Ms. Muna here with us? I think she would be joining soon, so we proceed. And being from the Indian community, it's a great honor for us that we have with us our most delightful backbone for entire Indian community, Dr. Satish Nambiar, Chairman of Indian Social Club. Hearty welcome to you, sir. I request Master Arjun Krishna to please present the bouquet and welcome Dr. Nambiar. Arjun, turn around. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Arjun. Thank you, Dr. Nambiar. And we also have with us Dr. Baby Sam Samuel Kuti, the Director for the Board of Indian Schools in Oman. I would like to extend a warm welcome. Do we have Dr. Baby with us? I think he would be presumably joining us very soon. So I would like to now proceed. I would like to extend my warm and hearty welcome to the representative of all the sponsoring companies, without which I don't think we could have scaled this event to such a great extent. We are really honored to have you with us. Welcome to all of you and enjoy the evening. And also warm welcome to the members of the audience who have joined us in large numbers. I think audience makes an important instrument for any musical instrument, an integral part of a musical concert. So as a member of audience, we are here to receive a therapeutic and enthralling session this evening. So welcome to one and all. Without taking much ado, I would now like to proceed further. I would request His Excellency to please join me on stage, and we would like to felicitate the invited artists. So we will take few minutes now to felicitate and give a memento to the artist. May I request Mr. Suresh to please escort His Excellency to the dais, please. Thank you, sir. As a music enthralling lover, we would like to present a memento to the Grammy Award winner, composer, visionary innovator, communicator extraordinaire, Dr. Prakash Sontake, and his talented wife, Mrs. Chaitra Sontake. May I request Dr. Sontake and Mrs. Chaitra Sontake to please join us on stage and please receive a humble memento from us as a remembrance for the Oman visit. Hosting a concert for such an eminent personality is really our privilege today. May I request His Excellency to please present the memento to the couple, who are a treasure of knowledge, I must say. Thank you. It's now time to recognize and appreciate the young musician who is among with us, Master Santrupt G.R. Vedanti, who is not only highly talented musician, but also he's committed to the important causes. I request Your Excellency to please present the memento to Master Santrupt. I'm sure he has got a bright future, not just as a musician, but the way he's shaping up as a human being is truly commendable. Thank you, Santrupt. Sir, may I request to please be on stage for a few more minutes? We will just felicitate two more artists. To accompany the invited artists, we also have two local artists who within the just last 2 days rehearsals have accomplished to present this epic concert this evening with us. So we have with us the teachers from the Indian school, a very prominent musicians themselves. May I request Mr. Girish Kumar to please come and accept the memento from His Excellency. At the Banaras Hindu University before retiring and settling in Bengaluru. We also would like to present the memento to Mr. Jayakumar, please. Thank you so much. It's a delight for us and everybody in the audience to watch the concert. And also at this occasion, we would like to take an opportunity to thank His Excellency for giving us such a wonderful venue for us and also being supportive throughout preparation for this event. For this, we would like to present a small memento to His Excellency. May I request Mr. Kais Al-Mashari, Council Member from Muscat Municipality of Muscat Governorate, to please join us and do us this honor to present the memento to His Excellency, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, we have just one more element to be added. We would like to just give a check to Oman Cancer Association. As I mentioned, Santrupt is not just musician himself, he's committed to greater causes. So from his earnings, he always donates a major part of his earning towards cancer awareness. So I would like to request Ms. Aida Al-Busaidi to please join us on stage to present this, and the representative from Oman Cancer Association, Ms. Munna Muhammad Al-Ofi, to please receive this check from Master Santrupt to be handed over to Oman Cancer Association. Santrup, please join, and we would like to present this check of Omani Riyal 1000 to Oman Cancer Association towards their awareness programs and the lot of good work that they are doing in the community. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ms. Aida, and thank you, Ms. Muna. And His Excellency, we just have to have one more element, the last one to finish. Thank you for your patience. This is just last one. Santrup, along with his guru, Dr. Prakash Sontake, has actually released an album called Pala Sampada. This is a great opportunity for us to release this album. So I would like to request Your Excellency to please do this honors for us. May I request Santrup to please join us. Can I also request all the dignitaries who have joined us to come on stage for this release of the album so that we can take a group photograph, and it will be truly a memorable moment for Santrup all his life. May I request Mr. Rakesh Adlaka to please join us. Mr. Kais Al-Mashari, please join us. Miss Maria from Philippine Embassy. Miss Hiruni from the Sri Lankan Embassy. Miss Muna Al-Ofi from the Oman Cancer Association. If you could please join us. We'll take a group photograph. Dr. Satish Nambiar from Indian Social Club. And Mr. James Wei from the Taiwan Embassy. I request Mrs. Neelu Vohra and also Mr. Kannan to please join us from the embassy. Thank you, thank you. At a very young age, this is a second album at the age of 16 that Santrup is releasing, and it's truly a delight that he's able to distribute his album and make a mark in the field of music. Please join us, Mr. Ramki and Mrs. Kavita. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. We will not take any more time between you and the much awaited musical concert. I would now like to invite Ms. Sangeeta Dubey, Social Secretary from the Embassy of India, to deliver vote of thanks.
A very good evening to you all. Excellency Shri Indramani Pandey, Ambassador of India to the Sultanate of Oman, Madam Sushma Pandey, Mr. Kais Al-Mashari, Council Member of Municipality for Muscat Governorate, diplomats, Dr. Satish Nambiar, Chairman of Indian Social Club Oman, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. We are here to witness a remarkable Indian and global fusion music concert this evening. First and foremost, I, on behalf of Excellency Shri Indramani Pandey, Ambassador of India to the Sultanate of Oman, and SAS Events, thank you all for gracing this occasion. I would like to thank the celebrated artist Dr. Prakash Sontake and his wife Mrs. Chaitra Sontake for visiting Oman and giving us this opportunity to enjoy the unique blend of music. Eagerly looking forward to hear their music. I would like to thank all the distinguished guests from various embassies and organizations for attending the concert this evening. I would like to thank Mr. Ramakrishna and his wife, Mrs. Kavita Ramakrishnan, for conceiving this event and making it a fruition. I would like to thank volunteers and masters of ceremony for putting up together a great show. I would like to thank all the sponsors for their generous support. Last but not the least, I would like to thank everyone who was responsible directly or indirectly to make this event a grand success. Let us all enjoy the concert. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sangeeta. It's now time for the live concert which we all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, let's enjoy the music. It's now time for me to give you a short introduction about the artist. I'm sure you all must be curious to know about the Grammy Award winner, Dr. Prakash Sontake. He's a rare blend of traditional approach with modern methods. So his music appeals to every genres of music. He hails from a musical tradition of Pandit Omkarnath Thakur Sangeet Parampara. His father, Dr. R.B. Sontake, a direct disciple of Pandit Omkarnath Thakur, and his mother, Dr. Mani Sontake, were a formidable blend of tradition as well as modern influences. His father was double doctorate in vocal as well as violin, whereas his mother, Dr. Mani Sontake, could play 15 instruments adeptly. They served in setting up the music college at the Banaras Hindu University before retiring and settling in Bengaluru. His presence is an inspiration to the youth. I'm so happy that he's guru for our master Santrupt. His duets with S.P. Balasubramaniam and Shivamani have always been successful. On his national program broadcast from Akashvani, he experimented with complex rhythms and caught the attention of Vidwan T.A.S. Mani, with whom he performs regularly. His achievements and accolades are so many that it would consume too much of time for me to mention everything. I'm sure you all will look it up and read more about him. One thing which caught my attention with one interaction with him, and then I saw that the very famous Dr. S.P. Balasubramaniam also has rightly said, Dr. Sontake is a treasure house of knowledge, and his simplicity makes it even more appealing. Ladies and gentlemen, with a thunderous round of applause, please welcome on stage Dr. Prakash Sontake. He's a Grammy Award winner, composer, visionary innovator, communicator extraordinaire, Sangeet Chakravarti, Dr. Prakash Sontake. It's also such a delight to see his wife, Vidushi, Mrs. Chaitra Sontake. She's a promising vocalist, performer, teacher, mentor, and a visionary. Equally at ease with Hindustani classical as well as a bhajan, Sufi and fusion. Mrs. Chaitra Sontake is with Shankar Mahadevan Academy. She was attached with the Dean's Academy, where she had the privilege of working with the principal, Miss Shanti Menon, a noted Mohiniyattam and Bharatanatyam dancer. She was also working at the Prakriya Green Wisdom School and the Valley School. She has had the privilege of working on several projects under the able guidance of senior musician and educator Vidushi Srimati Bharati Balakrishnan. She has done her master's degree in vocal apart from her bachelor's of engineering. What a great combination. So she has performed at various concerts and accompanying Dr. Prakash Sontake. Please put your hands together to welcome Vidushi Mrs. Chaitra Sontake. An integral part of the concert today is Santrupt G.R. Vedanti, young musician who is deeply committed to the causes of the society. At a very young age, Master Santrupt is not only an accomplished musician, but he has instilled values towards society. He wants to bring happiness in the life of cancer patients through his drumming. He very beautifully said he believes that even though he cannot add days to their life, he can surely add life to their days. What a wonderful thought in this young child. Santrupt shows great promise in becoming a bright star in the field of percussion. However, the 16-year-old wants to use his talent for a bigger purpose. This youngster with a compassionate mindset wants to utilize his capacity for music to help serve the community for raising funds for various causes. While Santrup's musical journey started when he was 3, his tryst with charity began a much later stage. It's amazing that Santrup can play 5 different instruments. He received his first drumming lessons at the age of 3 when his parents realized he was a musically inclined child. From then on, his voyage as a percussionist has gone from strength to strength, which we all have been witnessing. At the age of 9, he got a lifetime opportunity to play the drums at the Jai Ho Muscat concert of A.R. Rahman, India's most renowned composer, singer, songwriter, and musician. He is now just 16, but he already has a music album. His first album was called Amogha Milana, and today it was our honor that we could release here Pada Sampada, which is his second album. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together with a big round of applause. Welcome Master Santrup. To accompany the invited artists, today we have 2 eminent local artists to support us. On tabla, we have with us Mr. Girish Kumar. He's done diploma in music from the Government Music College, Palakkad, Kerala. He's working as a music teacher at the Indian School, Algubra. Since 2010, he has performed with several playback singers. Please welcome with a big round of applause, Mr. Girish Kumar. On the keyboard, we have with us Mr. Jayakumar Sangeetham. He comes from a musical family. He has over 30 years of experience of playing instruments. He plays piano, keyboard, guitar, saxophone, and flute. He has done graduation in piano and flute from Associated Board of the Royal College of Music, London. He has worked for several musical albums in Oman and also in India. He has performed with renowned singers like Dr. S.P. Balasubramaniam, Shri K.J. Yesudas, Shri P. Jayachandran, and Srimati K.S. Chitra, etc. With this kind of a wealth of experience, we have with us an eminent team of artists. Please welcome with a round of applause, Mr. Jayakumar Sangeetham. Ladies and gentlemen, here we begin the concert. The first composition for this evening is called Alabela Sajane Ayore. which is basically a call from the beloved, telling the whole world that her maverick lover has returned home. There are many ways in which she expresses her happiness. It could be of surprise and anger as well, all brought out emotionally in the song. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the composition.
ألا بلا سجنا عاير ألا بلا سجنا عاير البلا سجنا آيو على بلا سجنا آيو
अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो रे अलबेला सजन आयो
you. Such a beautiful composition which has set the tone for the concert today. The second track for this evening is called Kalyani Blues. This composition is based on the fusion of the popular Hindustani classical raga Yaman Kalyan and a blues scale. This is where we see the fusion. The similarity between the Kalyan scale and the Lydian scale of Western classical is noteworthy. So as we are eagerly waiting, let's witness this fusion master.
gari da stani da ma da pama gari stani da ma da pama gari pama gari da ma gari da pama gari da ma gari da de pama gari da ma gari da gari da
That was such a beautiful blend, truly enthralling for us to hear. As a third track, we are now presenting a jam between Master Santrupt, Dr. Prakash Sontake and Mr. Jayakumar. The basic idea emerges from a small musical signature emanating from Dr. Prakash's guitar, later on finding harmonical spaces through Jayakumar's keyboard, and finally merging all together with the drums of Santrupt. This particular piece also symbolizes the use of energy which is rising from the percussion and the space that is felt because the space is created in the melody. Let's try to recognize that and let's enjoy the music. Over to the team. This is truly the beauty of a live concert. I don't think we could ever hear on any CD or any other platform the joy that we get from such an experimental live concert. The next track that we are going to present is called Ganga. This track is representing the live version of the track from Santrup's album. As we all know, Ganga is a river which has flown through several civilizations, and especially at Varanasi, one notices a unique feature in which Ganga flows backwards towards the source. Here, there is a call for civilization to realize that Ganga has been very patient and kind with everybody. But are we that patient and kind towards her? We all can remember the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan that has been going on and the cleaning of Ganga that has happened, and it's truly happy moment for all of us to see Ganga being clean back again. This track will also be represented and accompanied by dance performance by the most popular Delicious Dance Academy. So it's wholesome entertainment for us. Let's enjoy the performance.
कहती है सदियों सदियों से तू बह रही गंगा, तुझ में है सब कुछ समाया, तुझ में सब कुछ समाया,
सदियों से तू है बह रही, प्यार से सब कुछ सह रही मेरी माँ। सदियों से तू है बह रही, प्यार से सब कुछ सह रही मेरी माँ। सदियों से तू है बह रही, प्यार से सब कुछ सह रही मेरी माँ। सदियों से तू है बह रही, प्यार से सब कुछ सह रही। पशुमान् भवति यो आपान् आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति येषां हृदये गङ्गा भक्तिः तेषां भवति सदा सुख मुक्तिः।
प्यार से सब कुछ सह रहे हैं मेरे माँ। Thank you.
Thank you so much. Such a beautiful emotion depicted of patience of Ganga. It's truly a huge call for humanity. Are we going to leave Ganga clean and pure like the dress of the girls for the future generation? This is a big question for all of us. Moving forward, the next track is called Shivoham. As you all know, Shiva is a supreme force behind all the forces in nature. The force which has initially told us that the power to destroy is as important as the power to create. Shiva is one god who is popularly known as the guru of all dance forms because of his Tandava. But at the same time, he is the same Shiva who has beautiful Ganges flowing from his head. This unique balance of different elements existing in the same form. So he is called the Chidananda Swarupa. Also you can remember Shiva and Parvati's story of taking various janmas to be together. On this view of recent Valentine's Day, I'm sure all of us will have emotions which would reflect through our own personal life. So let's witness a beautiful rendition, Shivoham.
Hello. Sorry to disturb you all. Actually, I would like to say something. This song will be played by an instrument which my teacher has created by himself, called as the Swaravina, personally designed by him with his own creativity. So the one which you are seeing there is called as a Swaravina. It's a mixture of veena and beautiful swaras which are played
the
together.
Vichitra Veena. The principle of playing it to the slide is the Vichitra Veena concept. And the Swaramandal. You can hear it, I don't know if it's on. Yeah. So the basic instrument is to be played to the slide. This comes to the slide, and the Swaramandal here is the one with the. Depending on the melody which you want to play, you can be setting it up. But sometimes in concerts like this, where you have to go repeatedly different tunings, I prefer to keep it in a kind of a alternate tuning so that it can work with anything. And the reason I didn't give it any other name other than this is I want everybody to play it, and not just my disciples. Anybody from anywhere should be. Thank you. Well, if you observe, when they both are playing the question answer and the trading of the rhythm, I'm doing something like this. This is basically a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like a way of keeping a count between each other as to how to be in the same page. Thank you.
Thank you. That was truly depicting the power of Shiva. And I think in the entire composition, we could see the dancing form of Tandava Shiva and the most meditative Dhyana Shiva. So that emotions came through so beautifully. And thank you for the dancers to bringing out that as well. Now the next track is called Maha Ganapatim. The track is dedicated to the most amazing elephant god, Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha has also been associated with the beginning of all the beautiful things in life. Places like Maharashtra in India, every moment live and breathe the power of Lord Ganesha. And the Ganapati festival in Maharashtra has the most feverish appeal among the citizens. This composition was composed by Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar. His pen name is Guru Guha, which can be observed in the composition. Let's enjoy this track. That was a beautiful, very different composition of Mahaganapathim than what we have usually used to. Friends, you may have noticed Santrupt has switched to a different instrument, and this is called Thagil. And this child prodigy is capable of playing 5 different instruments with the equal elan and ease. Moving on, the next track is called Jajare Apne Mandirwa, a traditional Hindustani composition blended beautifully by Mrs. Chaitra Sontake to suit a more fusionish approval to Santrup's drums. The raga used in the background is Bhim Palasi and the Western Dorain scale. You can find an interesting merge of these two along with the drone of Turkish instrument called saz. This is a true fusion that we are here to witness. Over to you.
Mandirava, Mandirava, Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Chaitra. That was a beautiful melody. The next track that we are going to listen now is called Savariya, which is commonly used to refer Krishna, the dark and beautiful. The melody used here is a raga Todi, which is famous for bringing melancholic feelings. But the Sufi rendition style and the rhythmic upliftment, a constant struggle between melody and the rhythm, which is trying to make it dark. So it is so much similar to the struggles of life, the ups and downs that we see in the regular life. So we can witness that in the music form now. Thank you.
नैना नैना तोरे नैना सावरिया तोरे नैना तेरे माँ के नैनों ने जादू डाला सावरिया सावरिया सावरिया
Hello. Takadina tadin kitakuku tadin kitakuku tadin kitakutankuta din kitakuta din kitakuta din kitakuta di takadina tadin kitakuku tadin kitakuku tadin kitakutankuta din kitakuta din kitakuta din kitakuta di takadina tadin kitakuku tadin kitakuku tadin kitakutankuta din kitakuta din kitakuta din kitakuta.
That was a wow moment, Santrupt mega solo. He did the drum solo with us, which has elements that he had picked up from his Boston and Stanford experience, and he's intermixed it with Carnatic and Hindustani influences. This makes me truly believe that music is truly therapeutic. Don't you all feel that it's really touching the various chords of our emotions? Let's continue to enjoy the evening. Now we come to a very interesting segment. We are going to present a few tracks which are going to bring how Bollywood music was inspired by jazz, funk, and different rhythm styles like shuffle, reggae, and samba. How it was blended with the beautiful lyrics of Hindi and how the music took shape is an interesting factor. Santrupt will start a particular jazz type of beat and then a song will emerge. Then you will have to keep guessing which song it's going to be. So let's have an interesting session of Bollywood.
The next track is, you must have, for those who have heard Bollywood music, will definitely know Open Iyer. And how he blended a particular Western beat which you'll listen to the beat and you'll see how this particular beat was blended into becoming the horse hoof beat in Indian songs. the same shuffle beat, if you notice, he added, I don't know, don't have that thing with me. Tuk-tak, 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 to the same thing, and that became the very, very famous hoof beat of Open Airway. All the songs were on the Ghoda Gadi those days. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's an interesting factor, and we can see how music is truly global and international music is blended into our Indian music as well. Sir, our dancers are very keen to dance for Rampam Posh. Can we have that now, if you don't mind? Delicious Dance Academy has been doing wonderful shows, and we have wonderful dancers. So now another popular song, Rampam Posh, and the dancers is going to enthrall us. Thank you. Thank you so much. What a foot tapping moment. It was truly entertaining. Delicious Dance Academy has made a mark in the hearts and minds of people of Muscat with their presence, with their dances in all the events. On behalf of the organizers of this event, it's our privilege to actually felicitate Delicious Dance Academy. I would now like to request Ms. Deepthi Suresh from DDA to please come and accept. And may I request His Excellency to please give the memento to Delicious Dance Academy, sir. It would be truly an honor. We have with us Mr. Delicious Sahadevan, Director. Is he not here available? All right. The representatives from Delicious Dance Academy is going to accept. We also would like to honor the artist, Mr. Santosh. He's done the artworks and a very talented young boy. May I request His Excellency please present the memento to the wonderful kid who is an upcoming artist. Thank you so much. The talents are being recognized, and that makes a huge difference in moving forward in their careers. And now, the final concluding track is Vande Mataram, which basically means paying obeisance to the mother. We are also trying to bring in the fact that all the stanzas of Vande Mataram are presented in the instrumental form, also inspired by Dr. Prakash Sontake's Dada Guruji, Sangeet Marthand, Pandit Omkarnath Thakur, who sang the very first Vande Mataram in 1947, immediately after Pandit Nehru's speech, Tryst with Destiny. So it's truly for us a very important moment to hear this from his disciple, Pandit Dr. Prakash Sontake. Thank you.
Vande वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Thank you so much.
With this thought of love towards Bharat Mata, we conclude this presentation of carefully designed garland of music that we presented to you this evening. It has been a great privilege and honor for me personally to host this event and such wonderful celebrated artists that we could witness. Thank you all for joining us. Shubharatri, good night, and stay blessed. Thank you.